Hi everybody. I wanted to show you a beautiful gift that my daughter Julie gave me for my birthday. It's a rice maker. You program it, you put your rice in, and you're done with it. It sings to you when the rice is done. You don't have to check on it or anything. It has a beautiful markings inside for long grain rice, still cut oats. You can make oatmeal in it. White mixed rice and sushi rice. It's very lightweight, and it has a cord in the back that is retractable. It comes out when you're done. You just pull it again and it goes back in. It has a space down here where the cord goes. It came with a nice instruction book that tells you exactly how to use the machine, and it has a lot of pictures in it. It gives you all the information you need. It came with a measuring cup and a rice spoon for your convenience. This is a box it came in. This is the brand name. I'll be using this machine for a long, long time. Thank you, Julie. I love my birthday present.